Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Successnathaniel and this channel is XN Crypto World. Alright guys, this site we're going to talk about today is newly launched. It was launched in less than 13 hours ago. You understand? So it was just launched today, being the 14th of March. So alright, this is the right time for us to queue in and start making a whole lot of money. So what you just have to do right now is to hit that red subscribe button over there, turn the bell notification icon and put it on all so that you get notified each time I drop any legit updates for you guys, and give this video a thumbs up guys. Right now we're going to proceed straight to the video. I'll be showing us how to earn money from this video. As you can see here, I have like 896 naira instantly from this my activity earning for and it was just launched within how many hours, and you can see here I'm having like 3,000 naira and still going to get more from this side. So I'll be showing us how to go ahead to do all these tasks, you understand. So what's good thing about this site is it's free. You're not depositing any money to sign up, you understand. So it's actually free. So what you have to do is just to click the link at the description right now, sign up and get started instantly. Don't wait for tomorrow because it's free. You're not to pay any amount. So once you sign up to this site, you go ahead and click on my how it works. I want to show us how to do tasks from this site. So once you sign up, you are given 500 naira bonus. You understand? 500 naira bonus. So you just click on how it works here. So once you click on how it works, it will direct you on how to earn more from this site. So right now, as it is loading, let's give patience to load. So and you can also come to this affiliate link and get your referral link and share it to your friends, because once ever you refer any person, you will earn 300 naira instantly. All right guys, so once you come over here, how the site works, it will take you to this place. You can see how Earnlite works. The name of the site you're working is Earnlite. That's the Earnlite, that's the name of the site. So as you can see here, this is about the company, the program, the organization. So you can go ahead and read everything from this site for you to get more clue about it, and look at their earning structure from this site. So look at tax that you have to be doing to be earning. As when you come here, you'll be seeing when you comment on the post, you'll be earning 10 naira. For up to 20 comments you made, you'll be earning up to 200 naira every day. So when you for you to register, you're earning 500 naira. For sharing a viral post, you're earning 100 naira. For you to log in every single day, you're earning 100 naira. For sharing a post on Facebook 5 times, 20 naira per 5 times is up to 100 naira. For you to share a post on Facebook, as again, you're earning 500 naira, because this is 100 naira per one share. So that's just it. To you to promote anything from this site, you're earning 300 naira. Like for you to promote your links, you're earning 300 naira for inviting friends. So you can make good earnings from this site, and that's why you can withdraw without earnings. Like look at how much you can make monthly from this site. Like for the commenting, you're in 2,800. The same thing for sharing of posts, logging in every day, you're in 2,800 both on Facebook. And when you go on for YouTube, you are earning 8,400. So total of 19,600 every single month without any referring anybody. But when you go to a referral, you earn more, you understand. So referral is not most, and your minimum withdrawal is 5,000 naira, and the maximum withdrawal is 35,000 naira. So guys, it's very cute business for you to queue in. So rush now and go and get started. So the withdrawal is every 28th of every month, starting from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. guys, both affiliates and the tax members. So that's to say that it's not most you will refer, and their charging fee for withdrawal is only 200 naira guys. So why are you not signing up right now? So go ahead and sign up. So for you to do a tax from this site, when you look at all the tax you have here, like the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. So as you can see here, all of them are different topics. So I'll just click one of them. Let's click this one now. You say, has any call been paid by INEC? Okay, this is the topic of this site. So all of them are different topics. Like the one below, it says here are some. Okay, actually I just click on one and the one just pop in now. So as you can see the page for you to earn from this. Okay, I'm just getting 5 naira additional too, just by clicking on this page, and that's not all. So for you to earn more now, you will see the topic here. So for you to earn, all you just have to do is just to go ahead to drop a comment on this right now. So I'll just drop a comment, like I'll click in here that say join the discussion. Right now, this post have 105 comments. I'll just click on interesting. Let's just type interesting. So when I'm done with interesting, I'll just click on post. When you click on post, you can go to this. I can see the post is loading. You can go to this notification bell icon, and okay, I see the posts have been dropped so far. So that's just it. I've earned money just for doing this. So right now I'll be showing you. Okay, you can come here also and rate this their post here, which is 3.7 so far. As you see, as I just click on rate, it's still loading also. So you have to rate their the post which they have just dropped. So that's just the simple tasks you'll be doing, and each one you do, you earn. Like I'll just how to allow it to load for me to earn some cash from this site. All right, now for me to rate it now, I just earn additional 10 naira from this site again. So that's just a very simple way about it. So let me in a quick way show you another way to earn from this side. All these are just comments people have dropped so far, so you can go ahead and drop yours. So look at other site other topics over here. So I'll just go ahead and click on this one and say here are some reasons why okay. So right now look at I just earn 5 naira again just for clicking it. So for you to earn from this side, you have to share this post. You understand? You have to just share this post. So look at the post here. What you have to do is just to copy this post and share. So and also drop a comment here the same way I did in that initial one, the first post I just did. So right now I'll be showing you how to share a post, because you have one post here that you have to share. So for you to share this post, you are earning 100 naira from this post. So like this one now, for you to share the post, you just have to go ahead, look at the process of earning from sharing a post. You just go ahead and to share the post, you download the picture below, copy the text and share it on either your WhatsApp status, Facebook or group. Then you click on claim to earn. So look at the post. You just long press the post and click on it, drag it down to the end. So once you done dragging it, you click on copy over here. So once you click on copy, then look at the image here. Just click on the long press the image, click on download image. So once you click on it, then you share it to your to the platform that you are shown at this site. Then you click on claim bonus now. So that just it. Actually I've claimed from here, so I'm not sure they'll be paying me again. I've claimed actually from here, so that just it. So right now I'll be taking us back to my dashboard. Let us take us back to my dashboard for us to see so far the money have if the money have reflected, guys. Yeah, boom, we are now in my dashboard. As you can see, my activities earning is like 1000 plus now, as you can see, which I was having 900 and something before. So that's just very simple way from this site you can be earning, and I still have my 3000 over here. So guys, and actually it's a free site. I've made so amount this morning, you understand? So go ahead, click the description link below and get registered. Don't wait till tomorrow. It's a free site actually. So hit the link and get registered. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. And for you to you can click on this profile here to link your bank account with them, like this edit your account. You go there and link it. I don't know, make the video longer anymore though, unless I want to stop here. You can click on this affiliate, this is marketing. Look at affiliate link to get your referral link also. So what else again? This report, okay, is not necessary. Then look at your the payment, but there's no payment now. It's just a newly launched site. So guys, that's just everything. Thanks so much for watching this video to the very end, and see you guys in my next video. And make sure you hit the red subscribe button and share this video to your friends. All right, I'm still expecting your thumbs up. Thank you so much.